Today we're going to move into 13.3, which is reporting, withholding, and payroll taxes. So you've gathered that information, then what do you do with it quarterly, annually? How do we report it that way? So our first objective is to prepare selected payroll tax reports. So we're going to go over the different kinds of reports there are and then kind of how to prepare them. So the first one here, up at the top we say employer annual report to employees of taxes withheld. So this is sent out annually by January 31st to all employees, and this is called a W-2. The W-2 is the wage and tax statement, so this is what you would use to report your taxes during your tax time. So this would be kind of the report of all the different taxes withheld for the year. So you have your wages, and then you have your federal income tax withheld, Social Security tax withheld, Medicare tax withheld, and then it would have different things if you had more on there. The second one is the employer's quarterly federal tax return. So quarterly, meaning it happens 4 times a year, so in 3-month spans, and they have to do this by the end of that 3rd month, report this. And this is a report to the government on payroll taxes and employers' payroll taxes. So how this gets filled out is the heading. That's the name of our company. Here is the number of employees that we have within the company. Our total quarterly earnings, so between those 6 employees, how much they earned in those 3 months. The income tax that we have withheld from their paychecks. Employee and employer Social Security and Medicare taxes. Okay, so it includes all of that. Total employee and employer Social Security and Medicare taxes. So totaling those there. And then the total taxes. So adding our income tax withheld to our total employee, employer, Social Security, and Medicare taxes to get our total taxes. And this is Form 941. So that's when we want to know 941. So here, the second part of this is filling out that state abbreviation. So we have 3 Green Products is in Philadelphia, so PA. The monthly scheduler deposit, and then the 3 months. So what were the 3 deposits there? And then total deposits. Okay, and then the next form that we're going to look at is the W-3, which is the transmittal of wage and tax statements. And this one is sent by February 28th every year. Okay. So this one, just kind of where it went. So they're talking about for the annual here, how much has gone places. So we'll go into the end of lesson review work together problem.